found one of the rarest cars in the world, abandoned, covered in rust. And somehow, we bought it for just $1,000. This is the story of bringing a forgotten legend back to life. We found this car for just $1,000, but what we discovered next changed everything. Hidden deep in an old storage area, surrounded by dust and decay, was something we didn't expect to see. At first glance, it looked like nothing more than scrap metal. But the shape, the curves, they told a different story. This was a Bugatti, and not just any Bugatti. If restored properly, this car could be worth millions. But in this condition, it looked completely beyond saving. Most people would walk away, but we decided to take the risk. The first step was simple. Remove years of dirt, rust, and damage. As we started cleaning, the true beauty of the car slowly began to reveal itself. Layer by layer, we uncovered what had been hidden for decades. But it wasn't that easy. The engine was completely stuck, and many parts were either broken or missing. At this point, restoring this car felt almost impossible.
Ugh, heavy block. Pins locked. Good.
But giving up was never an option. Every bolt, every part had to be carefully restored or rebuilt from scratch. Piece by piece, the heart of this machine started coming back together. Precision was everything. One mistake could ruin everything. Once the body was repaired, it was time to bring back its original shine. The paint, the finish, everything had to be perfect. After days of work, we were finally ready. This moment would decide everything. From rust to royalty, this is the final result. What once looked like scrap is now a masterpiece, a forgotten legend brought back to life. And it all started with a $1,000 discovery.